Hi, my name is Karen Jones, Content Editor for the Society of Technical Analysts. Today we're going to be looking at the euro-dollar currency chart because tomorrow we have our retail sales and also the ZEW. So some fairly key economic indicators are out. Let's have a look at what the chart is telling us ahead of those numbers. We looked at this a number of times recently and we discussed why we thought it was likely it was going to fail up at these levels. I will show you that chart in a moment. But we have in fact failed up here and we have eased back to this green line, which is the 55-day moving average. And that's at 108.50-ish. And we are nibbling away at this. And to my mind, it is looking a little bit vulnerable. Let's see if there's any other key levels in and around those levels. When you pinch out to the weekly chart, you've got the 20-week moving average coming in at 108. So this 108.50, 108 area is going to be your near-term support. And it is key near-term because it kind of protects these levels down here nearer to 105.5, 104.80. And you'll notice there as well, the 200-day moving average coming in around 104.50. So this is kind of mid-range almost. And if you look at your longer term moving averages, your 200-week and your 55-week moving averages, you can see your 200-week here and your 55-week here. And it does seem to me that the market is sort of stabilizing in between these long-term moving averages now. The reason why we said this was going to foul up at this critical area of resistance was, if you remember, we talked about this very long-term pivot line and also the Fibonacci retracement coming in around this 110.5 area, and that's exactly where we have fouled. So to my mind, it is looking a little bit under pressure, and I suspect what you're going to see is the market start to nibble away at that 55-day moving average. You'll notice down here on the 4-hourly chart that the cloud resistance is offering fairly decent near-term resistance between 109 and 109.20. And I think ahead of those numbers, it's just going to continue to hold around the 55-day moving average, see what the numbers are. To my mind, it's looking a bit vulnerable. Thank you.